But listen, he just like huddled. Zerny just huddled in her little corner and was like, I will get up when I want to get up.
Plus, you have to think about it this way. I mean, they just met each other. Maybe they're taking things slowly.
That's true. Yeah. You don't want to rush into anything, right? Relationships are very delicate.
You have to work on them one day at a time.
Right. Now the radar showing a little bit of cloud cover up to the north. No rain or snow with these clouds whatsoever. The storm itself is up to the north and bringing portions of northern and northeastern Colorado some snow, but those showers will not make it all the way down to New Mexico. So no rain or snow to worry about today. The temperatures, though, have our focus because as of this morning, you'll find widespread 20s, 30s, and 40s out there. 34 in Santa Fe, 23 in Grants, 43 in TRC. Albuquerque at 36, which is already 5 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday. Really western and central New Mexico in general, dealing with some warmer temperatures. Different story, though, as you get into the plains. There's a cold front out there, and it's continuing to sink south. As of now, we're about 15, 20 degrees cooler. I do expect that same kind of trend this afternoon when we compare today's highs to yesterday's highs. But it's only eastern New Mexico. I want to put an emphasis there because Albuquerque, we are looking at high temperatures once again in those low to mid 60s. Yesterday, 64, 65 today with slightly breezy conditions at times this afternoon. Western and central New Mexico, very little, if any, change over the last 24 hours. But here's where we notice the difference. 40s and 50s out over northeast and east central New Mexico. Quite a different story considering Tucumcari yesterday, you hit 81 degrees. And today's forecast high, 55. So how strong exactly is this cold front? It's enough to have an impact across the eastern side of the state, that is for sure. The depth of the cold air, I mean, it's there. It's not impressive, I would say, because it's pretty much just going to stop at our central mountains, leaving central New Mexico maybe 1 to 2 degrees cooler. And that's it. Western New Mexico, you wouldn't even know this cold front's there. So today it's just about the fact that our temperatures are cooler over eastern New Mexico. And then we've got those nice sunny skies on top. As I take you into tomorrow, very similar setup with mild conditions and sunny mild temperatures and sunny conditions. There we go. Out of our western New Mexico. Cooler air still kind of holding over the southeast. As we get into the weekend, there is a small disturbance crossing northern New Mexico. If we're lucky, maybe a few spot showers over our northern mountains. Most of us, though, just going to see wind out of that setup. Southern Colorado looking at highs in the 50s today. Mostly sunny skies, and really we hold those 50s through early next week. Northwest, 59 in Farmington, 64 in Grants, 63 in Gallup today. We'll tack on a few degrees to tomorrow's temperatures. Southwest, 60s and 70s out here. No rain or snow. We are pretty much quiet for the next 7 days. Southeast, cooler temps this afternoon. Tomorrow, though, actually looks to be your coolest day of the next 7 with Roswell in the 50s before the 70s return for the weekend. Northeast, mostly to partly sunny. Highs in the 40s and 50s, but today's going to be one of the cooler days. You'll warm up nicely come Friday and Saturday. Northern mountains looking at highs in the 40s and 50s today. 55 in Santa Fe, 57 Los Alamos. Chama at 51. Red River a little cooler at 46. East Mountains, mid to upper 50s in Cedar Crest to Harris and Sandia Park. A little farther away from the foothills, you'll find warmer temperatures in the 60s. Metro looking at highs in the low to mid 60s today. Mix of sun and clouds out there. Again, most of this is just high cloud cover, so it's not going to do anything in the way of rain or snow. 7-day shows sunshine for the next several afternoons. High temperatures in the low to mid 60s. Overnights in the mid to upper 30s. So by those numbers, we are looking pretty good. I mean, considering our average is 49 here in the metro and the forecast high is 65, we got a ways to go for it to feel like winter. Even Durango is looking at temperatures warmer than Albuquerque highs that we usually see this time of year. So,
that's so bizarre.
Unseasonably warm, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's all I hear from everybody. You know, when I go pick up my daughter, even her teacher says the same thing. Are we going to see winter?
Right.
I don't know.
Not on that 7-day.
Not this week.